It has been nearly 9 months since we first reported on the death of 14-year-old Landon Payton. He collapsed and died at Marshall Middle School, and today the Harris County Medical Examiner ruled the cause of death as undetermined.
The decision leaves Landon Payton's family and their community now searching for answers. Today, Landon's family attorney spoke with our Maria Aguilera.
Maria, what does this mean for the family's pursuit of justice?
Landon, Mia, the case surrounding Landon Payton's death has seen little progress, and that's because the full autopsy report still has not been released. Without it, the family says they're stuck in grief with no path forward.
It's hard to have much of a communication with a family that's hurting and grieving, and I don't have anything to say.
Nearly 9 months after Landon Payton collapsed at school, his family is still waiting for the full autopsy report, even as a medical examiner labels his death undetermined.
Undetermined on a web page is not a report, and so it's really nothing to me. Without a written report, it doesn't mean anything to me.
Chris Tritico represents the Payton family, who have been demanding answers from the beginning while grieving.
It never ends. It's just hurting.
It's been 9 months. How unusual is it to take this long?
I've never, in just shy of 40 years of practicing law, I've never seen one take this long, ever.
Landon died on August 14 after a medical emergency inside the Marshall Middle School gym. HISD says an automated external defibrillator, or AED, at the school was working and that a nurse performed CPR before paramedics arrived. However, Payton died soon after. Tritico disputes that account, claiming no functional AED was available at the school that day. Without an autopsy report, he says there's no clarity and no way for the family to pursue legal action or fully understand what happened.
I'm extremely frustrated, and it's getting to the point where I'm getting angry. And I've got a client who needs help, who's dependent on me to get a job done for them, and I can't do that because the medical examiner will not finish their work.
Tritico says he worries they're running out of time. The statute of limitations for a case like this is 2 years from the time of the incident.
The biggest concern is we're not going to have time to get a proper investigation done. Without the autopsy and a clear finding of what happened to him, how he died, we don't know where to go.
Once the report is released, Tritico says they'll finally be able to investigate what really happened and determine what legal steps to take next. I did reach out to the Harris County Medical Examiner's office for a comment on the delay, and so far we're waiting to hear back. Len?
9 months later, still waiting. Maria, thank you.